Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 326. Restore site from copied Dataverse environment. There are lots of reasons you might end up copying a Dataverse environment. For example, you might want to set up additional test or development environments. If you copy a Dataverse environment that contains a Power Pages site, you need to know what steps are required to get the site up and running. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. We've talked about the architecture of Power Pages a few times. At the highest level, a Power Pages site is a web application hosted in Azure that uses Dataverse as its database. When you copy Dataverse, all of the data and solutions are copied, but the web application hosted in Azure is not. So after the copy is complete, you need to create that web application. This can be done by going to make.powerpages.microsoft.com and choosing the new environment that has been created. While there shouldn't be any active sites, you should find your site in the Inactive Sites tab. From there, just click the Reactivate button and follow the steps. This will spin up the Azure resources for your site, and you'll be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 326 on Restore Site from Copied Dataverse Environment useful.